Using factor theorem, show that x minus 2 is a factor of this one, this polynomial, and hence factorize the given expression. So how to prove it is a factor? So remember, if we have to find the remainder. If the remainder comes 0, it is a factor. And you know how to use the remainder theorem to find the remainder. So let's see, x minus 2 is what? Equal to 0. So what is x equal to? 2 in it. I will substitute the value of x is 2 in it, where in this one, to see what happens. 3 times 2 cube, square, minus 5 times 2 minus 2. So let's see, does it, if it comes, if it is, we get 0, then it is a factor, right? So 3 into 4 minus 5 into 10 minus 2. So what is it? Let's check it. 12 minus 10 minus 2 is 12. So is it coming as 0? Yes. So which means x minus 2, it is a factor. Okay, so we can say x minus 2 is a factor. Factor of what? Factor of this particular polynomial. Okay. Now once we have done this, then they're asking you to prove what? To find the factors in it. So what do we do in that case? So right here, 3x squared minus 5x minus 2. And we have to find the factors here. So we'll divide it by what? It is a factor. So we proved it is a factor. So one of the factor of this polynomial is x minus 2. How to get the other factors? Since it is a quadratic polynomial, so it will have 2 factors. If it is a cubical, it will have 3 factors. If it is a biquadratic, that is power 4, it will have 4 factors. It has power 2 and x minus 2 is a factor, so it will have another one like that. Okay, so then let's see. So we'll divide it by x minus 2, right? So how, why do we do that? See, if we know that 15 has a factor 3, so when we divide 15 by 3, we get 5. So the other factor of 15 is what? 5 also. So which means 15 can be divided by 3 and also 5. How? 3 5s are 15. Got it? If we got the remainder is 0, means 3 is a factor, and whatever the question that we get is also a factor. So this is what we have to apply in this particular question also. We have to get that as a we have to actually divide it. Okay, so let's divide it. First term is x, 3x square, and this term is x. So what should I multiply x with so that become 3x square? It will be 3x. So it will get 3x square, and 3x into minus 2 is what? Minus 6x. Divided, this will become, this is plus, it become minus. This is minus, it will become plus. This will get cancelled. You have minus 5x and plus 6 is what? X. Minus 2, it will go how many times? 1 time. Plus 1 time. Is it clear? Plus 1 into x is plus x. Plus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. We get it? Minus and plus will get cancelled. And the remainder is what? 0. So we have got the other quotient of it, which means, it means using the theorem that we have got, the divisor x minus 2 and the quotient 3x plus 1, you multiply them and you will get what? The dividend x 3x square minus 5x minus 2, because there, and the remainder is not there. Plus remainder is 0, right? So we write the plus remainder, which is 0. There's no need to write that. So if you multiply these two, we will get the dividend here, and so the factor of this one is this into this, and this is the answer that we have got here.